How is it going? Welcome to my channel, Motoverse Official. If you are watching my videos for first time, this channel is all about bikes. Enjoy. Let's get started.
Triumph fans, it's time to get excited. The 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X is on its way. And this update is more than just a cosmetic refresh. With real off-road enhancements, smarter design touches, and the possibility of a new budget-friendly variant, Triumph is clearly looking to dominate the 400 cubic centimeter Scrambler segment in India. So let's break down everything you need to know. In July 2023, Triumph made a powerful entry into the sub-middleweight segment in collaboration with Bajaj by launching the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400X. These bikes quickly made a name for themselves, even making it to the top 10 bestsellers list in the 300 to 500 cubic centimeter segment. And now, with 2025 approaching, Triumph is bringing a refreshed version of the Scrambler 400X, spotted testing recently in Pune. The first thing you'll notice is a brand new bright yellow paint job. It's sporty, it's bold, and it gives serious retro racing vibes, kind of like those classic Yamaha bikes from the 70s. Along with this, Triumph has added body color components like a raised front fender and a compact windshield, making the bike look even more rugged and ready for adventure. Other styling highlights include the signature circular headlamp, split seats, knuckle guards, upswept exhaust, and the golden USD forks that remain unchanged. The tank gets new graphics and a prominent Triumph logo, making the bike stand out even more. Now let's talk about the real upgrades, the stuff that matters to off-road junkies. The biggest update? Tubeless wire spoke wheels. That's right. This makes puncture repairs a lot easier while maintaining the rugged flexibility that spoked wheels are known for. Next up, Triumph has ditched the plastic engine bash plate for a metal one, offering way better protection during aggressive trail riding. These two upgrades alone make the 2025 model significantly more off-road capable. And while there's no confirmation yet, enthusiasts are hoping for sintered brake pads to replace the current organic ones, which tend to fade quickly and compromise braking performance, especially during tough off-road rides. Triumph hasn't officially announced new features, but there's strong buzz that the 2025 Scrambler 400X might get an updated digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, a much-requested feature missing from the current model. Otherwise, core elements like the round LED lighting, off-road mode, and switchable rear ABS are expected to carry over. And if you're hoping for major ergonomics or hardware changes, don't. The frame and suspension setup will likely stay the same. Under the tank, things remain familiar, and that's a good thing. You'll still get the 398 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, delivering around 39, 5 brake horsepower, and 5 Newton-meters of torque, paired with a smooth 6-speed gearbox. This motor is already proven, offering a good mix of urban usability and highway comfort. Now here's where it gets interesting. There are whispers of a more affordable Scrambler 400X variant, possibly called the Scrambler T4. This could be a stripped-down version focusing only on essentials, much like what Triumph did with the Speed T4, which was 42,000 rupees cheaper than the Speed 400. There's even speculation that the Scrambler T4 could come with telescopic forks and a detuned engine, producing around 30 brake horsepower to compete directly with bikes like the KTM 250 Adventure. So when's it launching? Sources say we can expect the 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X in the next couple of months, likely after Bajaj finishes pushing the new Speed 400 and KTM 390 Enduro R. As for pricing, the standard updated Scrambler 400X is expected to cost about Rs 10,000 to Rs 12,000 more than the current price of Rs 2.66 lakh. But with a lower priced T4 version in the works, Triumph clearly wants to cater to both premium and budget-conscious buyers. So, whether you're a weekend adventurer or just want a stylish Scrambler for city commutes, the 2025 Triumph Scrambler 400X promises to be more capable, more stylish, and maybe even more accessible. What do you think about these updates? Are tubeless spoke wheels and metal bash plates enough to tempt you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more updates like this. And I'll see you in the next one. If you have watched till the end, thank you very much for watching the video. Want to get updated? about bikes first before anyone else hits subscribe and stay notified. See you to the next video. Till then, be happy and ride safely.